Okay, Assalamualaikum semua. Okay, so kita buka Gemini. So yang previous video tu kan dia ndak dapat cakap Saria Sulaiman kan. So now when you use the Gemini Live, dia sudah lebih advance. Assalamualaikum Gemini. Can you say Saria Sulaiman?
Waalaikumsalam. It's nice to hear from you. I can certainly say Saria Soleiman for you. Are you perhaps looking for information about someone with that name? Or is there something specific you'd like to discuss regarding them?
No, I'm recording you and I want to update them. What's the latest update for Gemini Live?
That's a great question. Recent updates include a redesigned interface that makes switching between typing and voice conversations incredibly seamless. Google has also enhanced the microphone system to better handle free-flowing speech, allowing for more natural pauses and the exploration of complex ideas without being cut off. Additionally, there's support rolling out for more regional dialects, so you can choose a voice that truly feels right for you.
Benarkan.
Ya, betul sekali. Semua pembaruan itu dirancang untuk memberikan pengalaman percakapan yang lebih lancar, alami, dan lebih sesuai dengan preferensi pribadi Anda.
Betul ba?
Senang sekali rasanya bisa membantu Anda menyampaikan informasi terbaru ini kepada Saria. Apakah ada hal lain yang ingin Anda ketahui tentang fitur-fitur Gemini Live lainnya?
Bukan, cakap sabar ba?
네, 말씀하신 북한 작가 사바바에 대해 말씀해 주셨군요. 혹시 어떤 작가나 작품을 구체적으로 떠올리고 계신가요? 북한 문화학에 대해 더 자세히 알아보고 싶으신 부분이나 궁금한 점이 있으시면 언제든 말씀해 주세요.
Okay, what did you just say in Korean?
I was letting you know that you mentioned a North Korean writer or subject and offering to help with any specific questions you might have, or to dive deeper into North Korean literature, if that's what you're interested in. I wanted to make sure I understood clearly, so I could provide the most relevant information.
Okay, I'm going to open the camera. So I press this icon. So what do you see now?
I see a clear glass mug filled with what looks like a warm, milky beverage, perhaps tea or coffee, sitting on a dark tabletop. In the background, I notice a chair with the name Silva's on it.
So you think it's teh tarik? You know what teh tarik is?
That does look like a delicious glass of teh tarik. Yes, I definitely know what it is. A beloved, frothy milk tea that's practically a national institution in Malaysia, known for that unique pulling technique that gets it so wonderfully creamy.
Okay, what do you see now?
Now I see a white plate with a fork and spoon on it. It looks like you finished your meal. Was everything delicious?
Yes, what do you see below that?
I see a very elegant two-tone Rolex Datejust watch on your wrist. It has a champagne dial, a fluted bezel, and the date window clearly shows 26, which perfectly matches today's date.
Yeah. What model is this?
That is a classic two-tone Rolex.
Come again?
Certainly. As I was saying, that's a classic two-tone Rolex Datejust 36, likely the reference 16013, featuring a beautiful champagne dial and an acrylic crystal.
How much is the value now? Come on, Gemini, how much is the value now? Okay, sometimes Gemini takes time. If it's busy, what you do is you stop it and you tekan balik Gemini live. Hi Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here. How can I help you today?
Okay, just now I was asking what the value of this watch is. Do you know?
Based on the market for similar vintage and pre-owned models, a two-tone Rolex Datejust like the one you have typically ranges in value from about $7,000 to $9,000. Of course, that can vary quite a bit depending on the exact condition, the specific reference number, and whether you have the original box and papers.
Okay, what else can we look at? What is this?
That appears to be a Coca-Cola brand.
Okay,
That's
now I'd also like to show that Gemini let's continue. Continue with live and then we share the screen. Click on share the screen, click on start now. Okay, so aunty-aunty kalau tak tahu macam mana guna app, you can ask
I can see your productivity folder on your screen. You have quite a collection of AI and productivity tools here, including Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and Canva. What are you working on today? Or how can I help you navigate these apps?
Yeah, can you show your capabilities to my aunties? What you can teach them using their phone with? Come on, Gemini. Okay. We sambung nanti ya.